Hi guys, welcome to our channel today, and today we have a very special wheel, probably the most popular wheel ever created in my opinion, the TE37 in gloss black. So the wheel is here, although new, for a high temperature wheel coating. So normally with cars with normal steel brakes, you will see a lot of brake dust, especially on stop and go traffic. So the advantage of having a high temperature wheel coating is basically easy to clean. Brake dust won't stick to the wheel as much as an unprotected wheel. And normally, you know, when you have brake dust, it's brown in color or more copper-like in depending on the pad material that you use. So in this case, if it's a gloss black wheel, you will see that all the dirt and all the small powdery substance will be on this wheel. So even though it's new, normally it would be very easy to just coat the wheel, but what we do here in the shop is we basically start with a thorough checklist. Although it's new, these things come from Japan, so there are some transit issues or some storage issues in which you can see there's some marks here. Normally we try to fix it with our finger, but none. So this will have to be polished right before we spray. So stay tuned.